Hello students, this is Vinay sir, your mathematics teacher. Once again, I welcome you all to the online class organized by Alchemy School. In previous class, we all have seen how we can solve the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, question number 5 and question number 6 from the exercise 2.2. Today, we are going to see how we can solve the question number 7. So, let's see what is given in question number 7. In question number 7, it is asking to find 1 upon 2 of 2 and 3 upon 4 and 4 and 2 upon 9. We have to find the 1 upon 2 part of 2 and 3 upon 4 and we have to find 1 upon 2 of 4 and 2 upon 9. Okay. So, let's see how we can find 1 upon 2 of 2 and 3 upon 4. So, first of all, we can write here 1 upon 2 of 2 and 3 upon 4. We will convert this mixed fraction into improper form. So, we can write 1 upon 2 of 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3 11, 11 upon 4. This of can be written as multiplication. So, 1 upon 2 into 11 upon 4. So, now numerators will be multiplied and denominators will be multiplied. So, we can write here 1 into 11 upon 2 into 4. When we multiply these two values, 11 ones are 11. When we multiply these two values, 4 2s are 8, we get 11 upon 8. Okay, this is an improper fraction. So, we have to convert it in the form of mixed fraction. So, 8 ones are 8, 8 and 3 11. So, 3 upon 8. So, this is, so we can write here 1 upon 2 of 2 and 3 upon 4 is 1 and 3 upon 8. Okay. Now, we can see the next part of this question is 1 upon 2 of 4 and 2 upon 9. So, we can write here 1 upon 2 of 4 and 2 upon 9. We can write 1 upon 2 and we can change it in the form of improper fraction. So, 9 4s are 36 and 2 38, 38 upon 9 and we can write 1 upon 2 of will be replaced by multiplication and we will write 38 upon 9. Now, we will multiply the numerators, we will multiply the denominators. So, 1 will be multiplied by 38 and 2 will be multiplied by 9. So, when we multiply these two values, we get here 38 and 9 2s are 18. So, students, we can see 38 and 18, both numbers, numerator and denominators, both are divisible by 2. So, we can divide it. 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18. So, we get here 19 upon 9 as simplest form of 38 upon 18. When we convert it into mixed form, 9 2s are 18. So, 2, 1 will be remainder. So, 1 upon 9. So, this is the mixed form of 19 upon 9. We can write our answer here 1 upon 2 of 4 and 2 upon 9 is 2 1 upon 9. So, this is the answer for the second part. Okay. So, the next part of the question you can try to solve by yourself. Okay. So, now students, we all are going to see the next question from the same exercise 2.2. The next question is question number 8. The question is Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. Okay, these are the informations given here, and on the basis of the given information, we have to find the answers for two different questions. The first question is how much water did Vidya drink? So, first of all, we have to write the total amount of water they have. So, we can write here they have total amount of water is equal to 5 liters and Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the total amount. So we can write 5 liter. We can write here 2 upon 5 into 5 upon 1. 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So when we simplify it, we get the result here. 5 2s are 10, 2 liter. So we can write our answer here. Vidya consumed 2 liter out of 5 liter water. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question. Now let's see what is the next question. The next question is, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So they have they have 5 liter water and Vidya consumed 2 liter water. So Pratap will use 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 liter water. Pratap is using 3 liter out of 5 liter. So Pratap will use 3 upon 5 of water. Okay, so the amount of water consumed by Pratap will be represented by 3 upon 5. That's it. Okay, so students, we all have completed exercise 2.2 here. When we meet again in next class, we will start the next exercise, that is 2.3. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.